So let me just go through the ingredients and I'll show you which one is optional. So first, of course, you will need tostadas for this casserole recipe. Here I have, like, you might need 4 or 5 depending how big container you're using or for how many people you're making. So I'm using this microwave safe bowl, which you will need because we are making this in microwave. So you will need one microwave safe bowl. We will need cheese, any cheese that you like, you can use. We will need some taco seasoning, just a little bit of dry oregano, chili flakes, a little bit of garlic powder, and just pinch of salt. Now this 3 is optional because since if you're using this taco seasoning, mostly cover all the ingredients in it. Then we will need some beans. I'm using pinto beans, and let me show you what brand I'm using. So this is the brand I'm using, 1 can. This recipe. Then you will need salsa for sure, and this is my homemade salsa. I'm using a little bit of chunky. If you want to watch my salsa video recipe, please go into description box. I'm going to leave link over there for my salsa recipe. To make it easy, if you don't want to make it at home, you can always use store-bought salsa. Now I need your help, guys. I always use homemade salsa, but I don't know which brand is really good in taste, so please help me out. Let me know in description box which salsa you use, which is store-bought salsa is your favorite brand, so I can give it a try and let you guys know. Please help me out because I am open to try store-bought salsa. So don't forget to let me know in comment box, please. And then I have here spring onion. This is optional too. And before we continue, I want to show you that I'm also going to add maybe a little bit of this sauce, hot sauce. This is optional too. So let's prepare our beans first. Here I have some leftover black beans which I'm going to add into this beans. Then first I'll add this garlic and salt, chili flakes, adjust according to your preference, a little bit of oregano, and the taco seasoning. And a little bit of water, just a little bit to make it a little bit of thin consistency. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this hot sauce, tapatio. This much is enough. And then I'm gonna give it a mix, and then we'll microwave this. Okay, and I'm going to microwave this for 1 minute. I think that's good. Okay, so I have my bowl ready, so let's start assembling our tostada casserole. So I'm just going to put a little bit of on the beans on the bottom. And I'm going to first put my first tortilla in, the tostada in, like that. Okay, and I'm going to add a layer of beans. Just spread it like this, and it's okay if it goes on the side. And if you can, what you can do, like, is as you can see, there is some space left on these sides, so you can use, just break this into really small pieces and sprinkle it on the side. You can do that too, just if you want to cover up the empty space. That's optional, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to break it and put it on the side. Just like that. And now on top of this, I'm going to add this salsa. Just sprinkle it like this. a bit of spring onion, cheese, it's like baked nachos. Then you're gonna put another tostada. And then spread one more layer of this beans. Repeat same process. Add. You can also add some avocados. And the last piece I use, I think 4 of them. In the top, I'm not going to add any of the chips, just simply the beans. Perfect. So now this is ready to go into the microwave. I'm going to cover the lid and just going to microwave for a few minutes. So let's check. I cooked it only for 4 minutes. You can go further, but I think 4 to 5 minutes is enough. And now I'm going to serve this and take out on my serving plate and guys show you how does it looks really nice in layers. And I hope you really guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and do share this recipe with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.